Okay, so in full bear market, we're preparing for a bull market. So let's start. Okay, so today we will transfer coins from Venbot to Binance. So from your wallet on Venbot to your wallet on Binance. So you can finally connect your bank account to your Binance, and that is the way in which you will convert your Bitcoin into whatever other currency that you want. And this is very important because you want to take your profits out and you want to know if this is possible or not, because most of Bitcoin stuff, what was happening online even last year, the scammy stuff, you were not able to withdraw easily and without no problems. So this was the main question everybody was asking me, if they can withdraw or not the funds and how they do it. So I will show you exactly how this is done, so you won't worry again with this problem. Okay, here in your Venbot account you go to wallets. Okay, here you have your Bitcoin wallet. Okay, then you go to your Binance account, and here you also have wallets, but you go to your funding wallet here. Okay, then if you want to transfer your Bitcoin here, which is available, because I have Bitcoin in trades and I have Bitcoin available. Okay, and you can transfer the available amount. Once the trades are completed, you have all the available amount here. But you would love to take the profits out and not the actual investment, because you want to have more to come, isn't it? So I will show you exactly how I do it. So to deposit here Bitcoin, you go, I will show you again, funding wallet, and then you have here, you go here to deposit. Okay, select the coin that you want to transfer, which in our case is Bitcoin. Select the network. Be sure you select Bitcoin here, not something else. And here you have the address, and you just copy the address here. Okay, and then the amount. You can select the amount you want or use the max account. The minimum withdrawal is 0.002 Bitcoin. The transaction fee is 0.001 Bitcoin, and the final amount available now it's this one. Okay, you just click on preview. Okay, if you agree with what is here, you can click confirm. Okay, it will appear here. This was rejected because I couldn't do it in time. I didn't know that I have to receive an email, a confirmation email, so I had to two of them rejected. And now I've learned how to do it, so we will do it exactly how it should be. So now you wait the confirmation email. You'll go to your emails and look here, and you click the link you have here. Your Venbot account has received a request for withdrawing this amount to the address. If you don't recognize this stuff, you just contact them back with reply, which I did, and they will take action, or contact them on the Telegram or Discord. And on Telegram we have mainly our channel in English, but on Discord you'll find from Romania, in Romanian language. So on Telegram we are a community of over, I guess, 1,000 people from all over the world. So you have 30 minutes to confirm. So your withdrawal has been confirmed, and now we will go here to see what's happening. Okay, no, not this. Confirmed by you, and it's done. Okay, this was my main. I started with this amount on this account. On this specific demo account, I started with 0.007, and I don't have 2 years now, 1 year and a few months, and it became like 0.02. So this is a good revenue from doing nothing, like starting with $100. That's it. Yeah. You can also transfer. You see here you have all sort of wallets. You have Bitcoin, Ethereum, One, futures, USDT, which I started with 200, and now I have 370 in not even a year. Yeah. So it's kind of a doubled, not even in a year. Here you have also Troy, which you can transfer. You have available 18,500. You can withdraw even this one, but I will show you exactly where to find this data so you can withdraw on your Binance. Okay, that also. Let's see if I have something in here and the withdrawal was successful or not. I think it needs a little bit of time until it gets into your wallet. Yeah, it needs a little bit of time. But let's see if you want to transfer some other coin, like your Troy from here. Troy is like it's generated in the meanwhile you're doing like trading. I don't know exactly, but I will inform myself on it. I know it's increasing its value over the last period of time, but I don't know exactly. Yeah, here you will select Troy. Okay, if you want to transfer Troy, 18,500 Troy is like $160, 160. And here you will be sure to select BNB beacon chain, because if you select it ERC20 and you don't have like Ethereum one, you won't have the things you need here, like the memo tag and the address. So if you select this, it wouldn't work because you don't have the memo tag. You select BNB beacon chain, and here you will have the address and the memo tag, which you will put here. You put here the address, here the memo tag, and here the amount. You can use the max. The minimum withdrawal is 92 Troy, transaction fee 46 Troy, final amount is, which is around $160 if you want to withdraw this type of coin. Okay. So yeah, just go here. Overview. And now we will wait to see where the withdrawal is, how much time it needs to process the withdrawal. Okay, so here we go. I had to wait like half an hour or an hour. I don't really know. Let's see how much time it was. Yeah, Binance internal transfer, and it was initiated when I received the email. And yeah, confirm. I received the email like 1 hour ago, and yeah, you have to wait like an hour. Your Venbot.io account draw to address has been finalized. So you receive an email even when your withdrawal is finalized, when it's ready. Here you receive another email from Binance that your deposit was successful at their end. Okay, so here is the Venbot completed transaction, and successful one. And here you have the same amount in here. After taxes and stuff, you have this amount, okay? And you can view the balance. No wallet here, and no, it's kind of working a little bit hard. Yeah, your transaction will be here. So you go to wallet, fiat and spot, then you go to history here, and you'll see your transaction successfully done in your account here. Okay, it's completed. You have all details. Okay, and that's really it. And you have the money. Then you can, I don't know, you can transfer to your bank account if you want, but that I will do it in another video. Depends on what are your options and what do you wanna do. It's very simple to manage in Binance, and it's very user friendly. They have very good customer support, because I even had problems at the beginning. I didn't know how to use it properly, and yeah, it was like a mess when I started. So that's why I make these videos, so you know exactly what to do. Okay, so here you can pay when you buy crypto. You can also transfer that. I will do it in another video, as I told you before. Okay, so now once you have it here, it's very easy to go to your associated bank account, or to transfer into another ways to your other assets that you want to buy here or so. Okay, so thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Hope this was helpful, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like it, so the video will reach more people that need this information. Bye!